Which of these two phones should you buy? The Tecno Spark 40 or the Infinix Hot 60i? I have been using these two phones side by side for a while now, and in this video I will tell you everything you need to know to help you make an informed buying decision. So let's get right to it. Price at 150,000 naira or below $100, these are the items in the box. They both have USB-C cables, SIM ejector tools, wired earphones, 45-watt charging bricks, and phone covers. While the Tecno Spark 40 has a soft silicone cover, the Infinix Hot 60i has a hard transparent plastic cover with open sides, which I honestly do not like. But then you can always opt to spend a little extra to buy a better phone cover that actually covers. Design-wise, both phones look really good for budget phones. They both have their unique designs. While the Spark 40 has this type of camera setup with only one functional lens, the Hot 60i has this simple vertical camera setup with one functional camera lens and one functional auxiliary lens sensor. In terms of build, the frames and the back of both phones are made of plastic with a smooth feel. While the Spark 40 has a matte finish, the Hot 60i has a kind of shiny finish. They both has the same body size of 6.7 inch. The Spark 40 has slightly flatter frame and a slimmer body, hence lighter in weight. The Hot 60i, however, is more robust. Both have solid build and look premium. They both have a headphone jack and two speakers, one at the top and a down firing speaker. Both have a SIM tray that houses two nano SIM cards and one SD card. They both have side-mounted fingerprint sensors that are responsive. While the power button on the Tecno Spark 40 also serves as a voice assistant wake-up button, the Infinix Hot 60i on the other hand has separate buttons for the functions. The Hot 60i has the one-tap button added to it, which serves as the voice assistant wake-up button and can also be used to assign one of these tasks for a faster response. For durability, they are both IP64 rated and are protected from dust and water splashes. So if you prefer a flashy Gen Z kind of design, go for the Spark 40. But if you want something more subtle and a bit more solid feeling, the Hot 60i might win you over. Next up, the display. Both phones come with a 6.67-inch IPS LCD screen and 720p HD resolution, so there is no full HD here. But honestly, for the price range, I think this is expected. They both can refresh up to 120 Hz, but in daily use, the Spark 40 felt slightly more responsive to me. And this could be because, I don't know, maybe optimization. But overall, both displays are bright enough indoors, although the Hot 60i seems a little brighter to me. For outdoor use, however, you will struggle a bit under direct sunlight, but then it is expected for this phone price. When it comes to software and performance, they both run on Android 15 that is smooth and customizable, but comes with some pre-installed bloatware apps you might want to remove. The two devices are powered by the MediaTek Helio G81 chipset, paired with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, which is expandable via micro SD card. They both handle everyday tasks like texting, browsing, and social media pretty well too. However, I noticed the Spark 40 performs slightly better and faster, especially when I launch an app. It was also faster when I rendered same video at the same time on both phones' CapCut Mobile. I played some light games like Candy Crush and the Subway Surfers and also Call of Duty Mobile, and it ran smoothly on medium settings, though heavy games might need lower graphics. The 50-megapixel camera on both devices take decent pictures under good lighting with good enough details. Daylight photos on the Spark 40 appear brighter and more vibrant than those taken on the Hot 60i. But then, this is just my opinion. I want you to be the judge of this, so let us know in the comments which of these phones you think take better pictures. As for the selfies, the two phones take okay pictures, considering they are just budget phones with 8-megapixel selfie cameras. In low light, neither of them is amazing, so pictures taken appear dull. When it comes to recording videos, both can record up to 2K 30 frames per second, but there is no image stabilization, so hold your phone steady or use a tripod. Battery life is solid on both phones. 5,200 mAh battery on each of them, and that easily gives you a full day. Whether you are using it to watch movies, play games, or use it for your socials. And they both have 45-watt fast charging capacity that charges very fast. I'm talking about charging from 0 to 50% in about 25 minutes. For individual prices, I bought the Tecno Spark 40 for 142,700, while I bought the Infinix Hot 60i for 143,900, both with 4GB RAM and 128GB storage. The price, however, depends on where you buy from. So now, which of these two phones should you go for? To me, I think these two phones are practically the same. They are both good for what they cost. So all you have to do is just pick the one that matches your vibe. Now, let me know in the comments which one you are feeling more. And if you have used either of them, share your experience too. It might help someone out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.